What's up, trumpet players? I'm coming to you from East West Studios here in Los Angeles, California. And I wanted to let you know, if you're a trumpet player looking to improve your sound range, endurance, accuracy, you need a trumpet player that's not teaching you a methodology that works for them, but a methodology that works for you. You need someone that takes into consideration your teeth, your jaw, your gear, your mouthpiece, your goals, because you're unique. So if you're a trumpet player that wants to learn how to play the trumpet for you so you can do something, you need to do a trumpet player doing these sorts of things or bigger to tell you the right information. You're not getting no information, you're actually drowning in that information. So you need the information that's going to help you. That's all you need. So if you want to learn how to set your embouchure up for success, breathe properly, or be able to practice and actually improve and not just spin your wheels, what you need to do is sign up to my free masterclass below. Now, why is it free? It's free because I want some of you as students, not all of you. And if you do want that, then what you can do is reach out to me afterward, but it's no push to do so. So see you on the other side of the belt, guys. See you later.